and it's time for an episode of Kids Grab and Go. This is an opportunity for you to come into the Bettendorf Public Library and pick up a bag of supplies for a fun craft each month. For the month of March, we are going to be making lucky rainbow necklaces. If you haven't already picked up your bag of supplies, this is what it will look like. We give out 250 bags until we run out, so get yours while supplies last. I've got my bag here, so let's see what's inside. First of all, I have the written instructions. You can follow along with this video or the written instructions to complete this project. Then I have 3 paper rainbow straws, 1 piece of silk string. Last of all, I have a shamrock that is made with sparkly cardstock paper. Now that we have all our supplies, let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these rainbow straws into pieces. The pieces can be cut into any length that you would like. What we did for our example was we cut them at about 1.5 inches. So if you want it exactly like that, that's the length that we used. So we're just gonna kind of cut these roughly 1.5 inches for each piece. Now these are gonna act kind of like our beads for our necklace, and that's why we want them to be about the same size. It doesn't have to be precise, but if they're about the same size, that helps. So if you notice one of them is just a little bit longer, you can always trim it down just a bit. Once you have your straw pieces cut up and they're about the same length, just like these, it's time to start stringing things onto your satin thread. So we're gonna get started with the shimmery green shamrock. There is a pre-punched hole right in the center, and we can use that to thread this string through. I'm just gonna center my shamrock in the middle of the thread, and then I'm gonna add on my beads. For me, it works out that there's 7 straw pieces or beads for each side. Depending on how small or large you cut yours, it might be a little bit different. What helps to keep the necklace even on both sides is to string one on one string side and one on the other, going back and forth. And then you can make sure you just keep it even. Okay, I've got mine all on the string now. The last step is I'm just going to tie a knot at the end. I'm gonna tie my knot at the very end because I wanna give myself as much room as possible, so it's gonna be easy for me to put on. Just gonna take the 2 strings and tie a simple knot with both of them, just like this. And if you want to, you're welcome to cut off any extra string that there may be after the knot. Just be very careful with those scissors. And there you have it, our lucky rainbow necklace. We hope you enjoy making your own lucky rainbow necklaces, and we hope they bring you luck throughout the month of March. For the month of April, we will be making coffee filter flowers. Until then, bye!